when we got there, the overlay looked two-tone, and it was supposed to be integral color. So they mixed color into material, skimmed it out, and it also appeared to be an overlay that we use on interiors. And so right off the bat, I was questioning the integrity of the install, if it was even the right product. The color was already the issue. That's what we were called to do, was to come out and stain that existing overlay. And when we got there, we found it was failing. The concrete underneath wasn't prepped as good as it could have been, and there were some soft areas, it was loose. So we just said, hey, look, we really strongly suggest let's remove this. Trust me to make the cracks go away or be hidden very well, and let's stain this existing concrete and get back down to the original surface so that we can have some longevity and have a a quality pool deck without having to worry about it coming up later. So we first started to grind dry, and we weren't real happy with the results. So we converted over to wet, and Mike, being super gracious with us, he was already going to redo the landscaping. So we vacuumed up a lot of the slurry, but a lot of it was allowed to run into the grass because all that was being redone. But once we started grinding wet, our production went up by 300 or 400%. Everything ground and exposed, we began to stain the concrete. We didn't want a glossy surface. We wanted more of a matte or satin look to kind of fit the house, and so that's what we went with. And we put 3 coats of sealer on as well to protect the stain. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, put a comment down below, tell us what you thought about it, how we can improve. Also, hit the subscribe button or follow us if you want to see more content like this on decorative concrete floor systems. Again, my name is Jeremy Reddick. Thanks for watching. Trust in the rescue.